Anyone who has to document measurement types in quality assurance is familiar with the tiresome subject. The measurement values must be read off exactly. They have to be transferred manually to various lists. This is a very time-consuming matter, where reading and transmission errors can easily occur. A wired measuring device could provide a remedy. However, this is rather impractical due to the restricted freedom of movement. We at the Hoffmann Group have taken this to heart, and we are very proud to be able to present the new, self-developed, Bluetooth-enabled GARANT Torque rotational angle wrench to you today. With many innovative features, this wrench will make your daily work easier. Thanks to the integrated Bluetooth HID interface, the wrench can be implemented simply and straightforwardly into existing quality assurance processes, thus eliminating the need for time-consuming manual transmission of the measurement values. Hello, my name is Marco Kunzler, and I'm a project manager at the Hoffmann Group, and I'm pleased to be able to present the digital torque rotational angle wrench from GARANT to you today. The wrench is not only easy to hold, the advantages are also very clear. It is equipped with a mechanical, interchangeable ratchet. We have here a 360-degree LED ring with a large display with 8 control buttons, which are easy to use. All of these features round off the technical possibilities that the wrench brings with it in the area of digital documentation. To describe this digital documentation in greater detail, I would now like to move on to a practical example. Another highlight here, we have helped develop an app for the wrench. The wrench can be operated and set up with this app, but the wrench can also be used 100% independently without the app. We have now activated the fastening operation. The wrench is connected to the app, and when I start to tighten the screw, you can see how the scale fills up. First, the torque is measured until the joining torque is reached. When the joining torque is reached, the wrench vibrates briefly once, the LED flashes yellow once, and you begin to measure the angle of rotation. The wrench is also equipped with a follow-up function, i.e., if you have tight installation spaces and can no longer tighten, I can follow up with the wrench and the wrench starts measuring again where it left off. Before reaching the target value, the LED flashes yellow, which is nice to see here. A warning is given here that the target value range is about to be reached. If you continue to tighten, the LED lights up green. The vibrating motor starts and an acoustic signal is emitted. If I now relieve the load, the wrench evaluates the screw joint after a set evaluation time, or manually using the push button below. In our case, with 19.3 degrees, we now have reached the target value range and the screw joint has been evaluated as positive. I now press the Send Push button and, as I said, the values are transferred to the PC connected via Bluetooth. As you can see, you can no longer miss the correct tightening torque with the wrench. There are many signal levels built in that reliably guide the user through the fastening process. The digital documentation is implemented in the wrench. It can be implemented very easily in existing quality assurance processes via this HID function, and in addition to these highlights, the measured values that are stored on the wrench can also be accessed via the app to be exported again separately. As you can see, we have really come up with something for you, and we hope to be able to effectively facilitate your everyday work with this digital torque rotational angle wrench from GARANT. Find out more about the Hoffmann Group homepage or contact your Hoffmann Group specialist advisor. We'd love to hear from you. Until then, goodbye.